As you can see now, I'm seeing myself in the nature with them trees, with a lot of green. At first I don't feel nothing, and time goes by. This is the first day of me going to the nature. Let's call this nature, I think, because it has trees and everything, you know. It's in the middle of the bridge. You can see the bridge. People still running around like every single day. This is my bicycle. And I'm sitting here like a homeless person, like a bum. As you can see, the building. I'm living my best life, bro. The trees, the people, they can see me. But if they see me, they would think I'm crazy. Must be crazy. But I don't do nothing. I'm just sitting here and chill with them trees. I think you should take yourself serious. Nobody gonna take yourself serious. So you don't have to live a life, work for somebody else's expectation. It's gonna be your parent. That's true. You're gonna see your parent experience, and you can experience the expectation from them to you, and that's hard. They're not going to let it go. They are still keep it inside of them, and they still have a lot of expectation from you because they invest in you a lot of money. True shit. And they expect you have to earn more than that to pay them back. And they expect you have to find a place to work for, to be a slave, to put your energy to work for the money. And that work will, and that money will less a lot of less than what you work for. Your work is deserve more than that, more than money. So that's why I'm always tell you to work for yourself, to be your own boss. Nobody gonna take anything to take advantage from your energies and meditation, everything that you work for. You think you work for you, but you don't. Yesterday I was watching the video from a Vietnamese guy just like me. He living in the south side. He doing a YouTube. He said that he compare ourselves. He compare the worker. He compare the people still going around. Let's back to the story. He compared the monkey and the bear working for a circus. He compared to employee working in the company. The monkey and the bear is employees that working for that circus, that company. Circus is the company. Is a place that you're working for, and we are a monkey and bear, the animal, animal. We are be trained to perform on stage, and when we are training to perform the duration, the process that you think you are working on it, that you are working hard on it, that the process training the monkey and the bear to perform on the stage of the circus. And the pride to keep you going on, practice to perform, to work for the company, to be a trainee and to be a trainer and to be a employee, just like the monkey and the bear. They got every time they are practicing, they give them a reward, and that reward compared to money. That reward compared to a sweet juices. A banana is like food. They give you food. They give you a compliment, or they give you some whip your ass to work. They give you a reward, or they force you to do that. So that's why some people call work is slave. That story make me don't want to work for anyone. That story make me want to go out of the nature and find myself. Bro, I'm not perfect. I'm not perfect yet. When I'm speaking to you like this, I feel like I know everything. I am higher than everything. So that's why I know that moment I have to be humble. I have to laying down a little bit. That moment I know I have to be humble, because I know I'm not the only one. I know I'm a chosen one, but I'm not the only one. Man, this world is crazy right there. No, this world is not crazy. I mean, the things that you live, you cannot live without is phone, internet, social media, everything like that. You cannot live without it. It's control you. That means you are the slave of the phone. Just like myself, I'm using the phone to record these videos. This is my phone. You cannot see the phone because I'm recording myself. If I post this video on my Facebook, it's gonna be crazy. People think I'm crazy right there. They're gonna put me somewhere to do a treatment. Why I am feel great? Why I am feel like I am okay, man. But the people see that okay is not okay. You gotta be aware of everything around you. You need to be, I think the word is consciousness, something like that. Excuse for my language. I'm going to learn more, speaking more about meditation, and learn more about it, to sharing with the people who watching this. And once again, I'm gonna remind you that I'm not here to explain anything. I'm here to confess to myself and trying to teach it myself. Try to live something good, inspiration. Most of YouTube video you're watching is trash. People doing stupid shit. Crapping, making something. Funny videos. They're not doing wrong. And you too. Nobody wrong. It's not your fault. It's not them fault. The problem is the number of views, number of subscribe, all that. So when you learn about yourself, you know everything. You learn, you're going to have an answer for everything you have questioned. You ask yourself and you already have an answer. You don't have to ask anyone. Don't compare yourself to anyone. And surround you with everything that inspires you. Do not the celebrity, all the shit that you see on the internet. I'm not saying that wrong. I'm not saying that that a poison or something. That will become a poison if you cannot live without it. You cannot live without news. You cannot live without social medias, and then that when it's become a poison to you. And you gotta be control yourself with all them news and media, all the things that make you looking down on yourself. Once again, it's not my mother language, so excuse myself and excuse me. I'm trying to practice more and share more, learn more, try to become a better version of myself. I love myself already, so you don't need to be a fan of mine. I'm a biggest fan of myself. So if you love me, if you're a fan of me, well, thank you. But I'm not going to be your friend. I'm not going to be your teacher. I'm not going to take any responsibility of you, because I'm going to take care of myself. This guy you're watching, everything is distraction to you to get you to the higher self. Now I am on my higher self without any drug, without any drinking, doing weed. Now I'm my higher self without all that. But I cannot tell that tomorrow I will be the same like this. Maybe I'm going to sleep back. So I have to record this video to remind myself. Well, so tomorrow I will not going to regret. I'm not going to forget. So the point is, everything is happening now. Is in this moment. So you gotta focus on yourself on this moment. Everything else don't matter. So when you can control yourself, control of what you do, find out what you love to do, you're going to start to help other people. Feel me? When you get inspired somebody else, you want to inspire another people. You're going to be you're going to want other people become a better of themselves. You're going to be become a other. You're going to become a person that want to share everything you know to the world, to inspire the world with your good energies. So stop doing your good energy for anyone else but you. Thank you for watching these videos. Peace. I'm going to see you on the next videos, and you are the chosen one, but you are not the only one. Thanks for watching. Peace out.